Hey everyone, I get 2 to 3 emails per day from people asking me how to access the digital downloads that they get from my Rebecca the Reseller Academy, or how do they access their bundle, or how do they open their zip drive. So this is really an instructional video just to show you what's included in the best value bundle and how to access your free reseller resource guide, how to actually get those downloads, because I guess Teachable is a little bit confusing and people have trouble. So this is a tutorial about how to access these things. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, give me just a moment and I will show you what I'm talking about. So let's dive into the screen share. Okay, so this is my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. I need to be as a student so that way I can see it like how you see it. So when you log in to your Teachable account, which you would have created to get the reseller resource guide, that's free. You usually come to this page, I believe. So this is just the main page where anyone can buy stuff. So it has my coaching, it has all the digital downloads, it has all the courses, and then it has the bundles. So this is the best value bundle that you may have purchased, or you may have purchased the free reseller resource guide right here. So first we're going to go through how to access the free reseller resource guide. Then we're going to go through how to access the best value bundle. And then we'll go through how to open up a zip drive if you purchase the best value bundle and want to get the things in the zip drive. So you've already purchased this quote unquote because it's free. So now you want to know, how do you get to it? Because if you click on it here from this page, it's basically going to tell you to go and quote buy it again, but here it's free. So this is what it looks like when you can download it. So you just go here and you click download, and it's going to give it to you as a PDF, and then you click on it, and this is just my information here, and then you click on the guide. And once you click on the guide, you go to it, and here it is, and this has all the information in it. So that's how you access the free reseller resource guide. You can also get to it from my products, which is in the top part of the screen here. You can click on it right here. You click on my products. These are all the things that I have downloaded in my account. So let's say that you purchase the best value bundle. And so you log into your Teachable account. It brings you to this screen. The best value bundle is down here. This is all of my courses and all of my digital downloads, every single one for forever. And I just keep adding new ones and you keep getting them for free. It's only $20. Anyone can buy this. So let's say you click on it. It brings it here like you're going to buy it again, right? So you don't want to buy it again. This is just telling you everything that's in it. You don't want to buy it again. So all you have to do is, if you purchased it, you click on my products and it will bring you here. And so what you will have is, because I've done others, so it will give you this all digital downloads bundle right here, which is all the digital downloads. And then it will give you all of the courses, and each of the courses will be here. And obviously I haven't taken my own courses because I've created them, but if you had started taking them, it would show your progress here. So you can click into any of these courses. This is the Poshmark Boutique course, and it's going to bring you to your curriculum and you can start taking the course. So for any of the courses, that's how it works. But for the digital downloads, which is where many of you are having trouble, you see that even if it's in my products, it has a price tag and you're like, I don't want to buy it again. You don't need to buy it again. It's just showing you what it is. So if you go and click on it, it's going to bring you to the download. So now all you have to do is click download. This is going to let you download the everything in my shop bundle. It's going to take you to a link. You're going to go to the link and you are going to get access to the Google Drive with everything in it. So it's going to give you everything that you need here. So all of the measurements forms are in here. All the planner things are in here. All of the sales phrases guide, the keywords list, it's all here. All you have to do is click on it and you are taken to it. So you just click on this and then that's going to bring you to the list. You can go back out. So that's how you get to it. It's very easy. It's all there. It's no problem at all. Now, if you want to open a zip drive, because the closet signs are in zip drives, and if you don't know how to do that, then you go here. These are a zip drive. So these are, see, it says zipped right here. So you need to download the zip drive. So click download right here for the one that you want. Click download. It's going to download it to your computer. When it's done, it's going to tell me. Okay. So then you're going to open this up, and it's zipped. So you can't actually do anything with these, but this is the folder. It looks like this. So it's zipped. It has a zipper on it. So you can't get into it. So you have to extract the file. So you can click on this folder and click extract all from here, or you can open the folder and click extract all from here. Doesn't matter. It's going to ask you to extract. Go ahead and extract, and then it's going to give you the zipped folder. You can delete that now, and then it's going to give you the unzipped folder, the extracted one. It's right here. And so you can open this up. You can open up anything here. You can save this file, save as, and then you can put it in your closet just like you wanted to do. So that's how you open up a zip folder. That's how you open up the digital downloads. And that is how you open up your free reseller resource guide. I hope that is helpful to you. Again, if you don't know what the best value bundle is, it's everything that I have, and it's only $20. So I definitely hope you take advantage of it. I love putting together these resources for you. Many of them I put together for myself and wanted to share them with you. And it's just all there for one low price. Plus you can take all of my courses, and I'd love it if you would, because I want people to get the education. Thanks, and have a great day.